Hello and welcome to Year 6 English, More Spelling Rules. So we can use spelling rules to help us spell words where I and E appear together. So we're looking at I and E appearing together. Many words have IE in them, such as, for example, tie or quiet. C is usually followed by EI. So I before E except after C, such as conceit or receive. So here we've got the C first, as you can see, C, followed by the E, followed by I. Okay, so these are very common words that are often misspelled, and it's very easy to make a mistake in these as well. So do learn these words in terms of spelling. Other words with EI tend to have a long A sound. So for example, vain and way. So we've got that A sound there in our words. So these are just simple spelling rules that you need to keep in mind of, just in case if you were to spell any particular words in the future, you'd know exactly how the spelling rules work, and that will in itself make it easier for you to spell difficult words. Good luck with the rest of this. Thank you.